Welcome to our guide on customizing the Flightradar24 app to display aircraft routes on your mobile device. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just curious about flight paths, this feature enhances your tracking experience. First, open the Flightradar24 app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the gear icon located at the bottom left. Then, scroll down through the list of available options until you find the section labeled Aircraft Label. After that, tap on Text Labels. From the list, select Route to display the flight's route information on the map. Finally, tap OK to confirm your selection and return to the map view. Now, when you view aircraft on the map, you'll see their fly route displayed, providing a clearer understanding of their journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow aviation enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and happy flight tracking!